watching Netflix or watching Korean dramas while using this. The quantity inside is not much, but they said it's really good for the skin. Hey guys, annyeong magandang araw. It's Jem here and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about skincare again, and if you guys are tired or you want to pamper yourself, especially your skin, these are some suggestions that I want to give to you to use and try to relax, or just something that can help take care of your skin and de-stress you. So yeah, if you want to see what these products are, just keep on watching. This one is from the brand Haru Wonder. So it came in a box, and actually on the list that they gave me, I didn't know that it is with a lot of products because it just says there that there's a pouch. So I thought it was just a pouch, but apparently, so this is what it looks like. There is a pouch, but there are skincare inside. So let's talk about first. See, it's packed with quite a lot of stuff inside here. So the first one is this one, and this is just like an ultra fit facial pad. So just a simple pad that you use for toner to clean your skin. And yeah, there's like 50 pieces, I think. Yes, 50 pieces, and that's the first one. And then this is the Black Rice Hyaluronic Cream, and it was Red Dot Award winner for 2019. The packaging is so cute. Like, look at this. So you put that, and it's this. The only thing that I've seen from the reviews is because of the eccentric packaging. The quantity inside is not much, but they said it's really good for the skin. Next one is Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner. So this is the Black Rice line, by the way. So you can see there's like a gradient thing going on, and that's the packaging for all this Black Rice line. So yeah, that's the second one, or the third product. And the last one that is here is the serum. It's another cute packaging. Like, it actually reminds me of shaving foam. So yeah, you open it and it's a pump kind of serum. This next one is actually from Some by Me, and I have tried it twice already. It softens your skin really when you use it. So what I do is I put it on my skin about 15 to 20 minutes, or at least when it dries, and I'm watching Netflix or watching Korean dramas while using this, and it's very soothing and very cold, even though it's still in the box. Actually, I put it back in the box after every time I'm using it. It's really good. It softens my skin, and I can see that my skin improved like after immediately using this. So if you want to relax, you know, people use masks especially when they try to, you know, drink tea. The next one is from the brand Benton. Let's Carrot Moisture Cream, and it says it's rich and nutritious of carrots and botanical ingredients, deeply moisturize and revitalize your skin. This cream is absorbing the skin smoothly with minimal thickness. Sorry, my friend EJ just taught me how to speak in cursive, so that was a disgusting attempt. But yeah, this cream is absorbed into skin smoothly with minimal stickiness and helps protect and moisturize skin. You can bring this anywhere, especially if you're traveling. So yeah, it is a travel friendly product. It's the Dewy Tree Ultra Vitalizing Snail, and this has been chosen as 2020 July Allure. I don't know, like, if your skincare or like the brand is good, they get chosen for an award. It comes in a pump kind of thing. So yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but that's how runny it is. Yeah, it doesn't have any scent, and this is good for those people who doesn't really like scent. The final product that I will show you is the Matcha Hydrating Foam Cleanser pH Balance Soothing from the brand B.LAB. And if you have been in the skincare world for quite some time, you will know about the brand Crave, and it has been famous, especially on social media, and I've checked the comments as usual, checked the reviews. This can be an alternative if there's no Crave brand available in your country, and some of the people actually said that it's much better for their skin than the Crave. Like, they have tried both. If you guys are not sensitive to it, you can really try it. And yeah, this is the last product that I am suggesting to you to pamper your skin and to take care of it while you still can. I hope you guys enjoy that, and please do take care of your skin. Maybe some of you don't really wash your skin after going home. I mean, sometimes I do that, but it's really, really bad. Although, you know, sometimes it looks okay, but it's actually really not inside. So make sure to check these products out and check other products at YesStyle, because they do have a lot of skincare products ranging from different brands. And please do use my code It's Gem here so you can get discount when you order, and you can click the links down below so it can redirect you already to the products that I have shown you. And yeah, thank you guys again for watching, and please do suggest more content in this channel that I can do for you. And yeah, have a great day everyone. God bless you. Annyeong.